Hello Aries, welcome to Beauty True Tarot, and this is the reading for this week of November. So let's see what are the messages for you in this week of November. Messages for Aries. Okay, the first card fell by itself. Here we have the Moon. Messages for the Aries for this week of November. Peace Tarot. The World. Messages for Aries. Ace of Wands. The Sun. Okay, with the card of the Moon, I see that you are in complete control of your emotions. Aries, your heart is ruling you at this point of time. In this week, you are taking decisions that your heart is telling you to do. You're not listening to your mind because you see here in this card that the Moon is controlling these people. So you both are controlled by the emotions, you and your partner. And you have no control over what you are doing. And with this card of the World, you might want to travel. You might want to change something. There is certainly something that you need to change, and the time is now. Because with this Ace of Wands, I see that there is something new coming to life. Probably there is a new birth in your family and you are away somewhere and you want to see your partner and your child. So you want to travel with this card of the World. And even if it is not the case with this card of the World, I see that something new is going to happen in your relationship. Probably your partner is going to start something new and they want you there. You are excited about it and your partner is excited about it. You both want to be together. So here with this card of the Sun, something has happened that is making your bond even stronger. You both are together. If you see here, this is the card of soulmate. You see these two people united by the Sun. So the amazing thing is that here we have the Moon and the Sun. Both are there on your cards. So suddenly your Moon is taking you to the Sun. If you see in astrology, I mean the Moon drives its light from the Sun. So here the Sun has destined that you both will be together, and the Moon is exactly doing the same. The Moon is reflecting the same. The Moon is controlling your mind and you are driven to do something because you have realized that this is the person. Your partner also realizes that this is a relationship that is meant to be forever and you are soulmate and so on. You are looking to start something new with this Ace of Wands and there is happiness. Although this is a general reading, Aries, this is not going to resonate for all and the energy could be reversed as well. So let's see what are the messages for you. I want to pick some more cards for you. Messages for Aries for this week of November. Excuse me, I don't feel like picking up those cards. Messages for Aries. King of Pentacles. Death. Strength. and Three of Cups. Okay, with this King of Pentacles, your partner might be wishing that you take your responsibility, because since you have decided that you want to be together, you want to have a family, so your partner wants you to take the responsibilities. They want you to be mature, they want you to be practical, they want you to earn. Okay, they might be asking for more. Your financial needs might increase because of this addition or whatever you're trying or planning to do in the future. You might require more money, and with this King of Pentacles, the time wants you to act with your mind, not with your heart. Okay, there is happiness, but in this happiness, there is a responsibility. You have got this happiness. This is a blessing of the universe, but with this blessing there comes responsibility of handling it. Whatever you wish for, you have to be sure that you will have to work for it to make it work. So with this King of Pentacles, you need to establish yourself, you need to focus on your money, and your partner expects a lot from you. They are expecting that you will provide for their future, you will provide for this family in case you're already married or you're expecting a child or something new. So here clearly money becomes a point of stress. But here we have this card of the Death. With this card of the Death, I see that something is changing or something is ending forever. Not necessarily a relationship, but something has to be dead by now to make this relationship work. There might be differences, there might be some kind of confusion that you have had in making the right choice, but you have to leave these things behind and you have to move forward. You have to look into the future, because you know that you want to be with this person and this person wants to be with you. This is mutual. Now here you have this card of the Strength. I see that you're putting your utmost efforts in making this relationship work. I see that you are able to do anything right now, or your partner is ready to do anything to to win this challenge. This might be a challenge for both of you to manage everything right now, but you are ready to do this. And with this Three of Cups, I see that you people are enjoying. So clearly with the Three of Cups, there is a reason to celebrate. There is something coming to the final stage. There is something that you always dreamt of and it is coming to reality. So you are happy, you're enjoying, you're sharing your happiness with your friends and family. And with this card of the Strength, you are ready for the challenges that might come along with this new happiness. After all, we have to give something in order to have something. Everyone will have to make some sacrifices to gain something. So with this card of the Strength, you are not afraid of any new challenge. And I want to take out one more card for you, Aries. Messages for Aries for this week of November. So Two of Cups. So here you both are happy, here you both are enchanted. I mean, you are in your fantasies. Something has happened, something magical has happened, and something that you never imagined has happened. But still, I feel that one of you might be feeling that the other one is pushing too hard for taking the responsibilities or for this financial benefits. This might be a point of disagreement between both of you, but you understand that to make this work, you will have to take these responsibilities. Okay? So this was a reading for this week of November. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.